Welcome to this introductory course in Microsoft Excel. Excel is a very popular spreadsheet tool that allows us to put information in tables and cells, allows us to perform calculations, and basically organize our data in a much easier way. It has been around for quite some time and is a very popular tool and quite widely used in almost every industry. When we open up Excel, we'll have an application window and we'll have the Excel workbook window. The Excel workbook is where we'll do our actual work. Workbooks are the main construct for Excel, so everything will occur within a workbook. And within a workbook, we will have multiple worksheets. What we see here on the screen is a worksheet. And the worksheet itself contains a number of cells. These are denoted by rows and columns. And you'll see that with the letters A, B, C, D for the columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth for the rows. Let's take a small tour of the Excel window that we have. At the top, we have our primary application menu, which we'll see that says File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Data, Window, and Help. Within the Workbook menu, we actually have what's called a ribbon menu. And the ribbon menu contains the Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Within each one of these, if you click on them, you will get a command group. These are the commands that you can use within a particular item of the ribbon menu. So as you see, we press Insert, and we will get a number of different commands, including inserting pictures and charts and so forth. And when we click on Home in the ribbon bar, we get a number of different commands, which will allow us to do copy and paste functions, allow us to change the font, create borders, format our text, and do other items like sort and filter, and find and select within our workbook or worksheet. Now, there are two primary ways that we can navigate our workbook or worksheet. So here we're working within the worksheet, and at the bottom you see it says Sheet 1. This is the first sheet of many sheets that we could have within this workbook, which is called Book 1 at the top, and we'll show you how to change these later. To navigate around the worksheet, we can use the arrow keys, such as going down, which will move us from various cells downward. We can move to the right using the right arrow. We can move back to the left, and we can move up. Again, the arrow keys will do that. We can also jump to any particular cell by moving the mouse, which you can see is denoted by the crosshair, click on a particular cell, and now the active cell highlighted by the green box has moved to F12. We can move it back to A1 by moving the mouse up to A1 and clicking and changing the active cell to A1. And within each cell, we can enter some values. So for example, we'll write some numbers such as 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. We might also move the mouse back up to C2, and we'll write a person's name. John, Jane, Michael, David, and Josephine. And you can see now we're structuring our data in these column formats, in which one column here, B, has numbers, and column C has words. We can set this up in any number of ways that will format our data the way we want so that we can use it later.